In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to save your chat history in ChatGPT. The good news is the ChatGPT does this automatically for you, so you don't have to do anything extra to save your chats. Let me explain. First, if you go to the top left corner of ChatGPT and click on the ChatGPT icon, you'll see your previous chats. Click on any of the chat. Now, scrolling down, you're going to find the share icon. Click on that. Now click on the option copy link. Once copied, you can save this link elsewhere such as Google Docs or Google Sheets for easy access later. Another option is to go to your profile. Then select the option settings. Go to the option data controls. Here you're going to find the option export data. Click on export. Now confirm it. ChatGPT will prepare your data and you will receive an email shortly with all your chat history and other information. But remember, you can always check your saved chat history directly from the left side panel in ChatGPT, which is automatically updated for you. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.